Hi, this is YEUN. Today we are going to look at another sample of 2D Metaverse. It's a track and field stadium and we are going to do some running. So if you have enough people to run together, as long as there's few people here, it starts. And you just need to go around the stadium, avoiding the obstacles, and then whoever comes first is the winner. So once you create this type of metaverse, you can invite your friends, or if you open it to public, others could join in. So although you don't know each other, you can just enjoy this track and field and get to know them, because you always have voice and video if you really want to use that function as well during the running. And also you can connect to other metaverse, so if you meet your friends from other metaverse space, you can link this metaverse and invite them who visit that metaverse and let them run and have fun. Linking metaverse is endless. You can link many different types and have all the functions shared. Okay, so that was another 2D metaverse, and we'll review a few more and get into the lesson of making the metaverse as well. So I'll see you next time, and this was YEUN. See you next time. Bye.